Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the essentials: battery above 20% and an unlocked settings app. Tap lock screen immediately because you need to change behavior now. Choose a secure method: PIN, pattern, fingerprint, or Face ID, then follow on-screen prompts to enroll. Once done, test the method once to verify responsiveness. This prevents being locked out later. If you already have a credential, skip enrollment and proceed to customization options. The next step will cover. You now configure how the lock screen behaves. Open timeout or auto lock and pick a value. Shorter values boost security, longer values increase convenience. Next, enable or restrict notifications. Make sure to hide sensitive content if privacy matters. Add or remove widgets and shortcuts. Camera and wallet are common. You want quick access without sacrificing safety, so enable emergency calls and decide whether Control Center is accessible from lock. Once set, lock and unlock. To finish, test every unlock method and shortcut at least twice. This validates recognition accuracy and timing. If something fails, reboot the device first. That fixes most sensor or software hiccups. If rebooting doesn't help, re-enroll the fingerprint or face profile and clear related cache or biometric data in settings. Should you become permanently locked out, use the backup PIN or recovery procedure. Make sure your account credentials or backup codes are accessible. One tip: keep a secure paper copy of recovery info.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.